my name is Gabriela. I am 9 years old in studying and ready to tell us. Hobby and interests. I like to skate, riding biscuits. I don't like being traffic bandit. My favorite subject computation because I like technology and innovation. I'm from Colombia. I like Galapa. It is the department of Color Atlantic.